Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you an ERR05 and you're wondering what this error is and what can you do to get rid of it. So if you're getting this error, you're going to get it when you try to use the flash that needs to pop up and for some reason it couldn't pop up. So what you want to do to try to get rid of this error, first things first is just go ahead and turn your camera off and turn it back on and see if it's working. And then you just want to, on the mode dial, you just want to check and make sure that the flash is enabled and it's in the viewfinder. And then the next thing you can do is if you press the shutter button halfway, it should pop up the flash. And you just want to make sure there's nothing, nothing, that is physically preventing the flash from opening. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.